Hey,
Hey,
I need some help with the pre-cal homework. Could you help me?
sure, what's up? A trucking business has designed a new logo to display on their trucks. The logo has an inscribed rectangle and a semicircle. They have determined that the radius of the circle will need to be 18 feet in order for the logo to fit on the side of the truck. Write a function to model the area of the rectangle in terms of its height h. What is the maximum area possible for the rectangle? Between what values for the height will the area be greater than 300 feet squared?
Didn't even.
That's easy, I can help you. So let's start with the dependent and independent variables. So the dependent is the area in terms of h because it varies based on the value of h. H would be the independent variable because there's a variety of heights which could be used since this is a quadratic equation.
Okay, I see where you're going with this.
Since the radius is given, we can make a right triangle with a hypotenuse equal to 18. Then we can use the equation 2xh to solve for the area of the rectangle, since the base of the rectangle is 2x and the height is h. Now we need to put x in terms of h. We can use Pythagorean's theorem to do this. So x squared plus h squared equals 18 squared. Since x is the base, h is the height, and 18 is the hypotenuse. To set x equal to h, you must first subtract h squared from both sides. Then you take the square root of 18 squared minus h squared, and now you have x in terms of h. Now we can substitute the square root of the quantity 18 squared minus h squared in for x in the equation of 2x times h. The new equation would be area as a function of h is equal to 2h times the square root of the quantity 18 squared minus h squared, which is your answer to number 1. For part 2, you will need to plug the equation into your calculator. Hit the button y equals in the top left corner and plug in the equation using x for h. So y equals 2x times the square root of the quantity 18 squared minus x squared.
Before you graph, you need to set the windows. The x and y minimum should both be -10 so that you can see both of the x-intercepts. The x-maximum should be 19 since the semicircle radius is 18, and again you need to see both of the x-intercepts. The y-maximum should be above 300 since the question is asking between what values for the height will the area be greater than 300 feet squared. So we should set it to 350.
Now you press graph. To find the maximum value, press second trace 4. Then go far enough left so you're sure you're past the maximum and press enter. Then go far enough right so you know you're past the maximum again and press enter twice. Your answer should be the coordinate pair of 12.7 and 324. So your maximum area is 324 feet squared.
Wow, thanks.